World where the future of mobility seems distant. The reality is that the most advanced electric cars are already within our reach. Cutting-edge technology, once reserved for prototypes and futuristic dreams, is now available in models we can buy and drive. These vehicles, equipped with high-capacity batteries, autonomous driving assistance, and fast-charging systems, offer more than just convenience. With zero CO2 emissions, the main greenhouse gas, and engineering designed to optimize every kilometer driven, these 8 electric cars are not only a responsible choice, but also a testament to how technology can transform our relationship with the world. Welcome to our YouTube channel Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide lucid explanations on issues related to cars and their essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help you maintain your vehicle. Now is the time to leave combustion engines behind and step toward a more sustainable future. Today, I'm diving into an essential and exciting topic: next-gen electric cars you need to buy right now. 1. 2025 Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf is a solid and affordable option at $28,155 in the electric car market, which is why it ranks first on this list. While its power and acceleration figures may not seem impressive at first glance, the Leaf offers a more dynamic driving experience than you might expect. The base model, the Leaf S, features a 40 kilowatt-hour battery, which, combined with its electric motor, produces 147 horsepower and 187 pound-feet of torque. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8 seconds. However, the real appeal of the Leaf is how it delivers that power from a standstill, offering quick and direct acceleration in urban settings. For those looking for more, the SV Plus boosts the battery to 60 kilowatt-hours, increasing the power to 214 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque, shaving about a second off the acceleration time. In terms of handling, the Leaf is stable and balanced in corners, though its weight prevents it from being truly agile. Low-resistance tires help maintain good grip and ensure a comfortable ride, especially in city driving. The 2025 Nissan Leaf also stands out in technology and safety. It has received positive ratings in crash tests, and while the IIHS has yet to rate it, the NHTSA has awarded it 5 stars in its overall rating. Additionally, it comes equipped with a range of standard safety features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitors, and active lane control. As for range, the Leaf offers respectable performance. The Leaf S has an estimated range of 149 miles, and the recharge time is efficient, especially with a 240-volt Level 2 charger, which can fully recharge the SV Plus battery in less than 12 hours, and even faster for the base model.
I love this car.
2. Volvo EX30. The 2025 Volvo EX30 is a compact electric SUV that offers a blend of Scandinavian design, technology, and performance. Starting at around $36,240, the EX30 is one of Volvo's most affordable electric vehicles. It is powered by a 268 horsepower motor in the single-motor configuration, while the dual-motor AWD version offers 422 horsepower, making it an exciting option for those who want more power. The EX30's range is competitive, with up to 275 miles on a single charge in the single-motor variant. Volvo has focused on efficiency and environmental sustainability, using recycled and eco-friendly materials throughout the vehicle's interior. The EX30 also supports fast charging, allowing it to regain 80% of its charge in just about 26 minutes when connected to a DC fast charger. As expected from Volvo, the EX30 is equipped with a full suite of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and Volvo's Pilot Assist, which offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities for highways. The EX30 is ideal for city dwellers or small families looking for a stylish, compact SUV with advanced tech and safety features. 3. 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 6. The 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 6 starts at $38,900 and stands out for its aerodynamic design and efficient electric performance. The dual-motor AWD version generates 320 horsepower, while the long-range version offers up to 361 miles on a single charge, making it one of the most efficient EVs on the market. The Ioniq 6 features ultra-fast charging, gaining up to 65 miles of range in just 5 minutes with a 350 kilowatt charger. The car also includes vehicle-to-load tool technology, which allows the vehicle to power external devices, turning it into a mobile power station. Inside, the Ioniq 6 is spacious and modern, with advanced infotainment features, including a 12-inch touchscreen. Safety systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Hyundai's highway driving assist for semi-autonomous highway driving. Number 4. 2024 Tesla Model 3. The 2024 Tesla Model 3 continues to be one of the most popular electric vehicles globally. Priced from $40,640, it offers cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and a minimalist interior design. The dual-motor version delivers 450 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. The Model 3's range is excellent, with up to 358 miles available in the long-range variant. Tesla's supercharger network allows for fast charging, adding 170 miles in just 15 minutes. The car's autopilot system, which offers semi-autonomous driving, is standard, and full self-driving capabilities can be added for an additional fee. Safety is a key strength of the Model 3, with features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, earning it top safety ratings across the board. 5. 2024 Nissan Ariya. The 2024 Nissan Ariya is a stylish electric SUV that combines a spacious interior with advanced technology. Starting at $43,190, the Ariya comes with several powertrain options, including a 63 kWh battery for a range of up to 216 miles and an 87 kWh battery offering up to 304 miles. The dual-motor AWD version produces 389 horsepower, delivering a smooth and responsive driving experience. Inside, the Ariya features a clean, modern interior with dual 12.3-inch displays for infotainment and driver information. Charging the Ariya is convenient, with DC fast charging capabilities that allow it to regain up to 80% charge in about 35 minutes. Safety features include Nissan's Pro Pilot Assist, which offers semi-autonomous driving along with standard automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning. 6. 2024 Ford Mustang Mach-E. The 2024 Ford Mustang Mach-E is an all-electric SUV that delivers the iconic Mustang performance with zero emissions. Priced starting at $45,995, the Mach-E offers a range of up to 312 miles on a full charge in the extended range variant. The GT Performance model delivers 480 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The Mach-E supports fast charging, regaining up to 80% charge in 38 minutes using a DC fast charger. Inside, the Mach-E boasts a spacious cabin with a 15.5-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Ford's Copilot 360, which offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Number 7. 2025 Rivian R1S. The 2025 Rivian R1S is a highly capable electric SUV, offering adventure-ready performance with a starting price of $77,700. Its quad-motor setup delivers a combined 835 horsepower and 908 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. With its rugged off-road capabilities, including a ground clearance of up to 15 inches and the ability to wade through 3 feet of water, the R1S is ideal for those who want to explore the great outdoors in an electric vehicle. Despite its power, the R1S is still practical for daily use, offering a range of up to 390 miles on a single charge in the max battery configuration. Charging is made convenient with access to DC fast chargers, allowing the R1S to gain 140 miles of range in just 20 minutes with a 200 kilowatt charger. The vehicle also comes with Rivian's adventure-specific features, such as Gear Guard, which provides 360-degree surveillance while parked, and an air compressor for inflating tires during off-road excursions. Safety features are top-notch, with the R1S offering a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and Rivian's Driver Plus hands-free driving technology. Additionally, the R1S has a robust body structure designed to provide excellent protection in the event of a crash. 8. 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5. The 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a futuristic-looking SUV with impressive performance and advanced technology. Starting at $41,450, the Ioniq 5 is available with a single-motor or dual-motor configuration. The dual-motor AWD version produces 320 horsepower and offers up to 303 miles of range. The Ioniq 5 supports ultra-fast charging, allowing it to gain up to 68 miles of range in just 5 minutes with a 350 kilowatt charger. It also features vehicle-to-load V2L technology, allowing it to power external devices. The interior is spacious, with a minimalist design and high-quality materials. It comes equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen and a suite of safety features, including lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Thank you for taking the time to watch that interesting and informative video.
Also, be sure to check out our video, New versus Used Electric Cars. Which one should you buy? Find the link in the description. It's packed with insights on choosing between a new or used EV, so you can feel confident making the right choice for your needs and budget.
I hope you found it valuable. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and turning on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Catch you all next time.